Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back, children, in EST's online class. Today we will going to start a new chapter from your social studies book. So, children, recently we all celebrated a festival, right? Which festival? Yes, Christmas. We all celebrated Christmas. When? On 25th of December, right? So during Christmas time, children, many of you have seen like many movies, right? Some of you have watched English movies or some of you have watched Hindi movies. Do you know, children, where are most of the Hindi movies made? Hindi films made. Most of the Hindi films are made where? In Mumbai. So today we will going to start a chapter 15, Mumbai, from your social studies book. So the topics which we will going to cover in today's class is location, that where is Mumbai located, how is the climate of Mumbai, and what kind of food is eaten by the people of Mumbai, and which festivals are celebrated there. Okay, so now let's start. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, right? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Earlier it was known as Bombay. Earlier Mumbai was known as Bombay. Now it is called Mumbai, but earlier it was known as Bombay. Okay. It is situated on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. Okay. It is situated on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. And Mumbai has the largest port in India. Now, what is port, children? What is port? Do you know port? Port is a place on the coast where ships can load and unload goods. Okay, port is a place on the coast. Coast means where land and sea meets, right? Where ships can load and unload goods. Okay, so Mumbai has the largest port in India. So this you can see, this is the map of Mumbai. Okay, so here you can see it is all surrounded by, or you can say it is facing Arabian Sea. Okay, don't consider it as a island. It is not a island because land is also there. Okay, it so in west coast it is facing the Arabian Sea. Okay, then this is the picture of port where ships load and unload goods. Okay, and Mumbai has one of the largest port in India. All the government, you can say all the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai, right? As I have told you that we have central government, state government, and local government, right? State government, local government, where they do stay, they stay in their own state, right? They stay in their own state, where in the capital city. So in the same way, all the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. So the governor, the chief minister, and other minister live and work from Mumbai. Okay, they live there only and they work from there only. Okay, so all the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are located where? Are located in Mumbai, because Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, do you know, children, who is the chief minister of Mumbai? Chief Minister of Mumbai is Uddhav Thackeray. Okay, he is the Chief Minister of Mumbai. Uddhav Thackeray. You must remember this, okay? Now, let's talk about the climate of Mumbai. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. Moderate means neither it is too hot nor it is too cold. Okay, so the climate of Mumbai is moderate. It is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. Okay, the winter which we are facing here, right, we need to wear like lots of sweaters, jackets to protect ourselves from this cold. But in Mumbai, people only wear like very thin sweater, even that is also not needed. Okay, so Mumbai doesn't get that uh, very cold or harsh cold. Mumbai doesn't has to face that, so it is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. June, July, and August are the monsoon months with very heavy rainfall. Okay, June, July, and August are the monsoon months with very heavy rainfall. With very heavy rainfall. You all have seen in news also. During this time, Mumbai is always flooded with water, right? Flooded with water. So Mumbai gets very heavy rainfall during this season, and summer is warm and humid, and it is not too hot. Okay, not too hot and not too cold. So Mumbai has a moderate climate. Moderate climate. Now let's talk about the food of the Mumbai. What kind of food is eaten by the people of Mumbai? So let's the food which I have mentioned here are the most famous, or you can say the most popular street foods of Mumbai. Okay, so that is bhel puri, vada pav, and pav bhaji. These are the most popular street foods of Mumbai. Okay, whenever you are visiting Mumbai, you should eat these street foods. Okay, because these are the most popular one. Then Shrikhand is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Shrikhand is made up of curd. Okay, curd. Shrikhand is made up of curd. So Shrikhand is a popular sweet dish of Mumbai. So this is pav bhaji, right? Vada pav and bhel puri. These three are the most popular street foods, or you can say the most common street foods eaten by the people of Mumbai. So these are the very popular street foods. Okay, and then Shrikhand, which is a sweet dish made up of curd. Okay, now did you know, children, that till 100 years ago, Mumbai was a group of 7 small islands? Okay, till 100 years ago, Mumbai was a group of 7 small islands. The people living here were mostly fisher folk. Fisher folk means the people who do fishing for their livelihood. Okay, so the people living here were mostly fisher folk. Folk means people. Okay, folk means people who worshipped the goddess Mumba Devi, after whom the city is believed to be named Mumbai. Okay, so till 100 years ago, Mumbai was a group of 7 small islands, and the people living here were mostly fisher folk who worshipped the goddess Mumba Devi, after whom the city is believed to be named. Now, festivals. So, most of the festivals, or you can say all festivals, are celebrated in Mumbai. Okay, like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, all festivals are celebrated. But the most famous one, okay, the most famous one is Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so the Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival. All the important Indian festivals are celebrated in Mumbai, as I have told you. But Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival which is celebrated where? In Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival which is celebrated in Mumbai. Which is celebrated in Mumbai. Okay, so children, where is Mumbai located? Mumbai is located on the west coast, or you can say situated on the west coast of India, facing the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Earlier it was known as Bombay, and Mumbai has the largest port in India. Largest port in India, right? all the important offices of the government of Maharashtra are 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 located in Mumbai, and the governor, the chief minister, and other ministers live here and work from there only. And Uddhav Thackeray is the chief minister of Mumbai, right? Climate of Mumbai is very moderate, right? It is moderate, it is warm and humid in summer and pleasant in winter. June, July and August are the monsoon, right? Are the monsoon months with very heavy rainfall. Then pav bhaji, vada pav, bhel puri are the popular street foods of Mumbai, and Shrikhand is the popular sweet dish of Mumbai. Then Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai. Although they celebrate all festivals, all Indian festivals, but Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular one. Okay, now let's do this exercise. Fill in the blanks. First, Mumbai is the new name for Bombay. Mumbai is the new name for Bombay. Second, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Third, a place on the coast where ships can load and unload goods is called port. Fourth, dash and dash are two popular snacks of Mumbai. Bhel puri and pav bhaji are two popular snacks of Mumbai. Fifth, Mumbai faces the Arabian Sea, right? Sixth, the most popular festival of Mumbai is Ganesh Chaturthi. So children, rest of the topics which are remaining we will going to continue in our next class. Till then, go through the chapter again, children. Sai Ram, have a good day.